Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Sweet Peas Recipes, and I'm actually excited about this recipe I'm about to show y'all. I am doing a vegan rotel. It's about to be so good with some avocado and jalapenos. It's gonna be so good. Y'all check this out. So I have a pretty big ingredient list. Yes, it's great. So first off, we got our spices. We got black pepper, cumin, pink salt, cayenne pepper, and the turmeric, of course. I got 2 cans of Rotel, a can of kidney beans, a bush of cilantro, carrots, garlic, potato, avocado, green pepper, colored peppers, vegan cheese, onion, and the Beyond Meat beef crumbles. So yeah, let's get this started. First thing I'm gonna do is get some water boiling to make our vegan cheese. And what we're gonna put in that is this potato. I'm gonna cut it up into some small pieces so it can boil fast. Because I'm actually doing this before I go to work. I gotta be to work at 6 and it's 3:51. I work right up the street, but I gotta hurry up. Next thing that's going in there is some of these carrots. Last but definitely not least, garlic. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. I'm gonna add these last 2 too. Forget it. So yeah, I put a nice amount of garlic in there. Got my potato and carrots. Let that boil until the potato gets soft. Because once the potato's soft, everything else ready. Now, onion. Let's cut this up. Pepper. Now this Rotel, it comes with lime juice and cilantro in it, right? That sounds good, huh? So first, let's heat up our pan. Got our water boiling over here. Ooh. And the first thing we're gonna add is our onions and peppers and jalapeno. Got some avocado oil here. Boom, boom, boom. So add the onions. With the peppers and jalapeno. Add a little salt and pepper, just a little. A little bit of cumin. Then we're gonna add in our beef crumbles. Add a little bit of turmeric. Forgot about that. Check on the potatoes. Give about 5 more minutes. Okay, we're gonna add our beans. Rotel. Another can of Rotel. Cover it up. Then we're gonna work on our cheese. So I'm gonna take about a cup of the water that's in here. Just the water. And then we're about to strain this. So after you strain it, you can take the skin off the potatoes. It come right off. Alright, so I got all the skin off my potatoes. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all of this in my NutriBlender. I'm gonna take some of that water that we took, pour that in there. Shake it up. Make sure everything gets wet. And close it back up. And we're gonna NutriBlend it. So you blend it until it's smooth. It already tastes kind of cheesy. Check it out. Now what we're gonna send it over the top is the actual cheddar cheese shreds. So what we're gonna do is add some of this. Let me taste this. Whoa, hold up. This one tastes way better than the Daya, because I don't like that one. It's disgusting. This tastes like cheese. And believe me, I know I'm a cheese person. I'm that person that put cheese on the plate and microwave it and eat it with a fork, okay? I melt cheese. I love cheese. Anyways. So pour the cheese up in there. And we're gonna blend it again. Yeah, that's cheesy. That's good. Yeah. So now our Rotel is, everything's hot. Just pour the cheese in. Tell me that don't look like. Come on now. Come on, look at that. That's Rotel, baby. The vegan way. With the beef crumbles, the peppers, the beans, the jalapenos, the vegan cheese. Come on. Yeah, I know. But it's all done now. Everything's done. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for joining my channel for that wonderful, wonderful meal. It looks so good. I can't wait till Bae tries it. I want to thank y'all for liking, following, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all that. I want to thank y'all for all of that. But I got to get ready for work now. So, sweet peas out. Mwah.